Dawikity toy storage bag. I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the Dawikity toy storage bag. And this thing is very easy to use. Just open the lid up, then you have your play mat right here and all of your toys in there. This is very suitable for like small pieces with small toys like Legos or even Connects or that sort of toy. And you just lay down the mat. And there is one side that has this Velcro on it. You keep that towards the basket. You just fold out the mat right here. And it has these sides that stand up a little. So that's very safe to play. And then just pour in your toys. Now it's completely empty. These are all the toys to play with. And then you can just build and do whatever they want. So you have enough room here on the mat for every piece here. And this mat is very easy to use because now you can attach the Velcro here to the toy basket. Here on the inside there's Velcro as well. And just click that in there so it won't move. And then there are these cords on the side here. So you can easily lift that up and start filling your bag again. You see this closest toward each other. And then add this back on top. All of the Legos are already in there. Add this back on top and then add back the lid. And now you can easily take this with you.